My name is David Kavanagh. I'm a steering mechatronics system engineer at Ford Motor Company. I graduated in fall 2023. The reason I chose Kettering is because they offered the co-op experience. I found that unique to most other colleges I was considering. I found that there was a lot of value in the experience that you gain from being a co-op your whole time here. My Kettering experience prepared me for where I am today because it introduced me to the field that I wanted to be in. I didn't really know what it was like to be an engineer. Going through Kettering, I got experience being an engineer while learning the more abstract in the classroom. I specifically remember mechatronics. That really was a path shifter for where I wanted to take my career. I found it fascinating that it was the intersection of mechanical, electrical, and computer science. I liked the idea of building something from complete scrap like we did in that class. I found that combining all those disciplines is exactly where I wanted to be. After doing that class, I made it my mission to get a role in mechatronics, and that's exactly where I ended up today. So Kettering is naturally very fast-paced. The academic side of Kettering really helped shape who I am today and leads to some of the success I see in my career. We're used to short deadlines, you need quick action, you need to think on your feet. Kettering emphasizes understanding the details, and when you understand the details, it's easier to perform at a higher level because you built the foundation. If you were a student that was just starting at Kettering, I would say be uncomfortable. Kettering gives you opportunities to learn new things. You can become a better leader. You can learn how to work with people better and increase your people skills. The more you put yourself in spots where you feel uncomfortable, the more you're gonna grow. And you don't have another opportunity in your life to grow as you do at Kettering.